Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Forex stop hunt strategy. Okay, the Forex stop hunt strategy. Now, a stop hunt basically is a concept where price moves in a way that triggers traders stop losses before reversing direction. All right. So to understand this, you need to know that many traders place their stop losses at obvious levels, just like above resistance or below support. Maybe, for example, placing a stop loss just here, maybe entering a buy trade here and placing stop loss here. You can see that price actually came, cleared that stop loss, and still went up, right? So large market participants, sometimes called smart money, are aware of these levels. So price may move toward these areas, triggering the stop losses and creating liquidity before reversing. So this can look like a false breakout. For example, maybe price breaks below a support, then traders enter, sell positions because they thought that price will continue going down, right? It's just an example, okay? And then suddenly price starts going up, right? Or in the case of, an upward situation, maybe price breaks above a resistance, and then price breaks above a resistance. Let's use this for example. Price breaks above a resistance, then traders jump in to enter buy positions, and then before you know it, price suddenly starts coming down. All right. So instead of seeing this as manipulation, traders can learn to use it. Some traders wait for these stop hunts to happen before they enter their trades. They look for signs like false breakouts, maybe quick reversals or strong rejection candles. The idea is to avoid getting caught in the trap and instead trade in the direction of the real move after liquidity has been taken. All right. So the key takeaway is do not place your stops in obvious areas, right? And learn to recognize false breakouts as potential opportunities. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.